In 1980, Project Tama began as a grassroots initiative to protect sea turtles along Brazil's vast coastline. The project focuses on conserving critical nesting sites and working with local communities to promote awareness and sustainable practices. Thanks to Project Tama's efforts, thousands of sea turtles have been saved, leading to population recoveries for several species, including the loggerhead and leatherback turtles. Project Tama empowers local communities through education, employment in conservation roles, and sustainable ecotourism. Despite these successes, ongoing challenges like climate change and marine pollution continue to threaten sea turtles.